Hey y'all, what's up? How's everybody doing? Today I'm going to do a quick little review of these Crescent Pivot Pro Linemans Pliers. These are the 9-inch Linemans Pliers. Most electricians use a set of Linemans Pliers. This is the Pivot Pro. Has this little extra power slot here. This claims 40% less effort to cut. And we're going to give that a test. We're going to see if that's really true or not. So let's get started. So for our little test here, I got a hunk of wire here. Looks like it's a 14-3 with a ground. So that means there's 4 wires in there plus the adder case. So let's see. Let's start out with a pair of regular Klein Linemans Pliers. Okay, this is just a regular pair. Let's see how easy it is to cut or how hard. Alright, that cut easy. These are old, so I don't expect them to cut perfect, but let's see how hard it is. Alright, no problem, right? Okay, let's check out the Pivot Pro. This is the Pivot Pro. You can see the power slot here. They're shaped a little, they're almost the same. These are the Klein. These are the standard in the electrician's industry. This is the Crescent Pivot Pro. This is a new design. They copied it from that Irwin one, which got it from the Germans. So you know the deal. It's a German technology. They're all stealing it. So you can tell by this is a little different than the other kind, the Irwin vice grip kind. I don't know if Irwin has a pair of these Linemans Pliers yet. They have the dikes, 8-inch and 9-inch, right? Or 7-inch and 8-inch dikes, like this. This is a pair of the I think this is a 7-inch. Yeah, this is a 7-inch dikes. And you can see the power slot here goes straight up and down. I'm going to do a little review on these later, but anyway, this review is about the Crescent Pivot Pro. So let's see how the Crescent Pivot Pro cuts the wire. Alright, I'm already noticing something here. I'm having a hard time getting it in the hole. So what? These don't open this wide. Holding it the same way. There you go. Now, there's no way to measure that really, but I think the Klein ones might cut better. I don't know, or cut easier rather. Let me see something here. Let's see. This is as wide open as it could go. Right? I'm thinking these don't open up wide. Oh, look at that. Look at the difference there. So the handles are in the same place, but look at the difference. Look at the difference there. Looks like the regular Kleins open up a good ½ inch or more farther open than the new Crescent Pivot Pro. Interesting. Also, the Klein seem to cut just as easy as the Pivot Pro. So I don't know. Let's see. Alright, that was pretty easy. Alright. See, I'm not liking this. I can't even get... I'm holding it the same way, but I can't get the wire in. See the difference? Holding it the same way, same position. Right? Tell me if I'm not. Right? Right? And I can't get the wire in. no problem, right? That's going to be a problem. That's going to be a problem with most electricians, because they use these to cut bigger wire like this. And 14.3, yeah, that's probably the smallest one they're cutting. You know, they're cutting 20 amp wires like 12.3 and 12.4. Yeah, it cuts pretty good, but like I said, I kind of have a problem with it not opening good. Alright, let's see. Alright. I'd say, I'm thinking this Pivot Pro ain't much better than the regular Klein Linemans Pliers. Alright. Let's try. Let's see. I got two more pairs of Kleins here. I got a pair of Kleins here, but it's got a little notch here, right? They all get that after a while, and then you got to replace them. See, look, same thing. I'm holding the same place, right? Still doesn't open far enough. Let's try these. See how it cuts. Yeah, I'm gonna say the Crescent Pivot Pro, I don't know. They look nice. They might have a nice cutting edge here, but it's really not any less effort. I don't know where to get this 40% less effort to cut. I'm not going to agree with that at all. They are guaranteed forever, but when you're limited to cutting 14.2 wire, and 14.3 is too big to get in there easily, and it's a pain in the ass, and it feels like it's harder to cut. I gotta be honest with you. I'm having an easier time cutting with this. Definitely. So I'm going to say this Crescent Pivot Pro, I'm going to give it 2 thumbs down. And just for ha-has, I'm going to give a little test on this Irwin power slot. I'm going to do a separate video on these though. This is the 7-inch power slot. I'm going to try to cut the same, what is that, 14.3 with the ground. Alright, I can almost get them in easier. And this cuts easier than the Crescent Linemans Pliers. That's 9 inches. So there you go. That's something to think about. This Irwin vice grip thing might be the best yet. But I'm going to do a separate video on that. So thanks for watching. Crescent Pivot Pro review. Gotta say, give it a couple thumbs down. Not worth my time. These are like $25. The I don't know how much the Kleins are. They're probably $30. But anyway, you know, I don't know if you want me to try to cut something else. Yeah, we can try to cut our plastic thing here. See how that is. That was effortless. That was effortless. Here, effortless also. Let's see what this does. This is really sweet. Alright, so I'd say the Crescent Pivot Pro has about the same cutting force that you need to put on it to cut something. The jaws don't open up as wide. I didn't measure it. I should have. Let me get a measuring stick real quick. So the widest this opens up. That's it. I'm going to measure it. That's 1 inch wide. Okay, so the widest at the tip here that it opens is 1 inch. 1 inch. See it? Now let's get the Kleins. Get the good one. I can see from here it's more than 1 inch. Alright? Inch and a half. I knew it was a ½ inch more. So this opens up a ½ inch more than the new Pivot Pro. That's a problem. And yeah. So if I was you, I'd save my money and get a pair of regular Linemans pliers from Klein, or I would even think about getting this new Irwin. What do you call this? Irwin power slot dikes. Anyway, let's see. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell so you'll be notified when we put up a new video. And maybe you'll see my power slot. But anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next video, guys. Thanks.